Hello everybody, welcome to another video. It's been like 2 weeks since I posted the last one, but welcome to a showcase of this tiny paddle boat, but yeah, I haven't spawned it in yet. Hang on. Alright, so here is the paddle boat. And I did show y'all the last video of showcasing the SS Marine, but now here's this ship, which it doesn't really have a name. It doesn't have one, so I just call it a paddle boat, so it doesn't actually have a name, but it's a pretty much a simple paddle boat. And yeah, it doesn't really cause that much lag. So, yeah. Its speed goes to 7 to 5 miles per hour, I think. Or, I don't know. But it doesn't really go that fast. Doesn't really. It's pretty much slow, but last time it was originally only moving by this, which it moved really slow, so I decided to add these inside to make it move faster. Its turning speed is pretty fast, kinda. Well, not really, it's kinda slow, but it was originally going to be a bit blocky. It was kind of blocky, so I kind of add some wedges to make it be shaped out a little bit, to make it be in shape. And it does have a working lifeboat. Oh wait, but first let me show you the rooms. So this area is like a board game. It's like a little fun game, and this is where you put in your coins and stuff to just check out before boarding. And this is where you just kinda hang out. Yeah. This is where you hang out. Pretty simple. And this area here, this is where you get some broadcast on this radio here. And it's got like a nice little staircase. But let me show y'all guys a working lifeboat. What the heck? Oh my gosh. Alright, so it does pretty much have a working lifeboat. So here it is. Yeah. But there's just one problem though. It's gonna be hitting that, so if this boat sinks, the lifeboat might have a chance of not being able to get to the water. So it does have a working lifeboat, so here it is. Oh my gosh, this guy's ruining it. Hold on. Okay. Now, anyways, let's continue on. The lifeboat has officially been released. Hang on, I might actually try to make it flip a little bit. God dang, come on, man, come on. Alright, so, hang on, I'm gonna make a fling a bit. Boop! Oh, what the? Alright, never mind then, so, okay, I think I just got disconnected. Yes, I did. Alright, so I'm gonna just stop here for now. But if you like the video, then please like and subscribe. Jeez, the videos I do is just simple and kinda meh. But anyways, goodbye.